Good morning children. Welcome in our English class. Welcome in our Kaka's English and Semi English School, Latur. We will learn today English subject. Our class is second and our lesson we will start 1.4. Let's revise. What is our lesson name? Our lesson name is Let's Revise 1.4. Let's revise. What is meant by let's revise? Let's revise means चला उजळणी करूया. Revise means उजळणी करणे. चला उजळणी करूया मीन्स अगोदर जे काही शिकलेलं आहे आपण ते आठवूया. त्यालाच आपण लेट्स रिवाइज असे म्हणतो. Then student you will learn we see A to Z alphabets, their spellings. APPLE apple means safardjand, BALL ball means chendu. Like that we see all things which is surrounding us in our school, at our home. That's like the things. We will see some things in the textbook page number 5. Like that we will see some things. I will draw on the board and you will tell me what is this picture. Okay. Let's revise. Look at the pictures and tell their names. Look in your textbook everyone. Look at the pictures and tell their names means आपल्या पाठ्यपुस्तकामध्ये जे काही पिक्चर्स दिलेले आहेत ते पाहायचे आहेत आणि आपल्याला त्यांची नावं सांगायची आहेत. Let us see. I will draw some pictures here. Okay. You will tell me which picture is this. Okay. My drawing is good or not? Yes. Which picture is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. 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 Cup means cup. आपण काय करतो यानी? चहा पितो. है की नाही? Then the next one is the C. I will draw here one picture. Tell me which picture is this? This is a everyone know because we will play with that picture. Means what is this? This is a kite. KITE kite. Kite means patang. Okay. The next one is the look here. Tell me which picture is this? This is a tree. This is a tree. This is the most important thing for human life. Without trees, we can't live. Okay? TREE, tree means झाड. Then the next one is the look. What is this? What is this? This is a glass. What is the spelling of glass? GLASS. Glass means glass. यानी काय करतो आपण? यानी पाणी पितो. We drink water with glass. Okay. The next one is the look here. Which picture is this? You know. Tell me. This is a sun. Very good. This is a sun. What is the spelling of sun? SUN. Sun. Sun means Surya. Then the next one is the look here. What is this? Okay. Tell me. Tell me what is this? This is a umbrella. This is the umbrella. What is the spelling of umbrella? UMBRELLA. Umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. Okay. The next picture is look. Tell me which picture is this? This is a star. 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 Star means Chandni. Okay. Then the next one is the what is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. What is the spelling of ball? B-A-double-L, ball. Ball means chendu. Okay. Then like that, in the textbook page number 5, they give us some things also. Which is this? Look. What is this? Which picture is this? This is the elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant means hatti. Then kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Kite means patang. Then cap. C-A-P. Cap means topi. Then tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree means झाड. Then eye. E-Y-E. Eye means डोळा. Then we see glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Glass means glass. Then monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey means माकड. Then this is a hand. This is a hand. Everyone have hand? Yes. H-A-N-D. Hand means हात. And this is the fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R. Fingers means bote. Then T-O-P. Top. F-A-N. Fan. P-A-N. Pan. V-A-N. Van. B-O-X. Box. This is umbrella. We will draw on the board. Umbrella means chhatri. Then table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Table means table. Then watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch means घड्याळ. Then zip. Z-I-P. Zip means सरकती chain. Then star. S-T-A-R. Star. Star means चांदणी. Then hen. H-E-N. Hen means कोंबडी. Then S-U-N. Sun. Sun means सूर्य. B-A-L-L. Ball. Ball means चेंडू. Then peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Peacock means more. And then last is the duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck means badak. Okay. Understand everyone? Very good. These are the things we will see and we will see their names. Understand everyone? Okay. Then look here. I will give you homework. Okay. Like that things, you will write some things name which you see around you. Okay. Our exercise is write down some things name which you see around you. Look, write down some things means काही वस्तूंची नावे लिहा. Which you see around you means तुमच्या सभोवती तुम्ही जे काही पाहता आपल्या आजूबाजूला, like that table, chair, window, door, like that words. तर त्या पद्धतीचे तुम्ही कमीत कमी 20 वस्तूंची नावे तुम्हाला लिहायची आहेत. Okay, understand everyone? This is some things name. Let us start our next lesson. Our next lesson name is 1.5 Fun with Alphabet. What is our next topic name? Our next topic name is 1.5 Fun with Alphabet. Fun with Alphabet. Okay. Fun means मजा किंवा गंमत. With alphabet. Alphabet means मुळाक्षरे. तर मुळाक्षरांची गंमत पाहू या. मुळाक्षरांची गंमत. Okay. You know alphabets. Then children, let us see. We will learn alphabet or letters from nursery class. You understand? You remember that? Okay. Which are the alphabets? The alphabets or letters is A to Z. A for apple, B for ball. Like that. Here On the textbook page number 6 or 7, we will revise our alphabets, which we can see previous class, but then now we only revise it. Okay. So let us see in your textbook. सर्वांनी आपापल्या पुस्तकामध्ये पाहायचं आहे. तर आपल्या पाठ्यपुस्तकामध्ये पेज नंबर 6 आणि 7 यावर आपल्याला काय दिलेलं आहे पहा. A to Z पर्यंतचे अल्फाबेट्स दिलेले आहेत. तर ते आपण आज काय करणार आहात, रिवाइज करणार आहेत. लेट अस सी. Our first alphabet is A for apple, B for bat. Here look, the first letter is capital A and this is the small a. Means here they will give us also alphabet, capital letters and small letters also. Okay, this is the capital A, this is the small a. Then B for bat, this is the capital B, this is the small b. Like that we will see from A to Z. Look, A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jar, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for pencil, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Okay, understand everyone? तर आपण सुरुवातीला A to Z पर्यंतचे अल्फाबेट शिकत असताना दुसऱ्या प्रकारचे वर्ड्स पाहिलेले होते. We see another words which is A for apple, B for ball, but here they give us B for bat. Means A to Z अल्फाबेट पासून एकच शब्द तयार होतो का? नाही. तर या अल्फाबेट्स पासून आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे शब्द तयार करू शकतो. जसे की पहा, A for apple. As you know, everyone know that A for apple, but from the A alphabets we can make some words, different many words. How? Look, A for air, A for air, A-I-R, air means हवा. Then A-N-T, ant, A-N-T, ant, ant means mungi. This is start from A alphabet. Yes, understand? Okay. Then look, aeroplane. You know aeroplane? Aeroplane means viman, which is start from A alphabet. Means A to Z alphabets we will make lots of many and many words, not only one word making from that alphabets. Understand everyone? Then you remember the alphabet song? No? I will remember you. Look, listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the alphabet song. You will remember and don't forget. Understand? Okay. Like that, A पासून आपण किती जास्तीत जास्त पद्धतीचे आणखी शब्द तयार करू शकतो. Like that, from B alphabet, we know from nursery class. We know B for ball. We know B for ball. Like that, we will make lots of words from B alphabets. Let us see. B for bat, B for bag, B for bill. That's like we will make lots of words from the alphabets. Understand everyone? We will see here A to Z alphabets and some words which make from A to Z letters. Like that, I will give you homework. Okay? Write down homework in your notebook. Everyone. Exercise. Our exercise is on that lesson. Write down minimum 3 or 4 words from each alphabet A to Z. पहा, तर तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे आता, A to Z या अल्फाबेट्स पासून प्रत्येकी 3 ते 4 शब्द आपण आता पाहिले की नाही. A पासून 3 ते 4 शब्द, B पासून अशा आपण आणखी लॉट्स ऑफ वी विल मेक. बट तुम्हाला A to Z पर्यंतच्या अल्फाबेट्स पासून कमीत कमी 3 ते 4 प्रकारचे शब्द बनवायचे आहेत. आणि हा तुमचा होमवर्क आहे आणि हा तुम्ही घरी करायचा आहे. अंडरस्टँड एव्हरीवन? व्हेरी गुड. ओके, then we will see our next topic. We will see our next topic. Our next topic is, this is the little topic. That's why we will see 2 or 3 topic at one time. Okay, our next topic is 1.6 activity time. This is the time for activity. Means, as you know that what is mean by activity? Activity means कृती and time means वेळ. Means कृतीची वेळ. Activity time means कृतीची वेळ. Here give us one activity. What is the activity? Let us see. Look in your textbook page number 8. Okay. Write the first letter of the picture's name in it. Look here. In the textbook, they give us some pictures and write the first letter. We write the first letter of that picture. Then first guess the picture, which is this picture. Okay. I will draw here. Look, students. Look and identify the picture. Okay. Okay, which picture is this? Tell me. This is the pencil. This is the pencil. The spelling of pencil is P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. The first letter of the word. Which is the first letter of the word? This is the P. Right here. So simple. And this is the activity. Means आपल्याला हे चित्र पाहायचं आहे आणि त्या चित्राची जे काही स्पेलिंग किंवा तो वर्ड आहे त्या वर्डचा पहिला लेटर आपल्याला त्या पिक्चर्सच्या मध्ये लिहायचा आहे. आणि ही आपली ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. सेकंड, यू टेल मी. ओके, द सेकंड पिक्चर इज, ओके, which picture is this? Look here and tell me. This is the balloon. This is the balloon. What is the first letter of that word? This is the B. B for balloon. Like that you will write in your textbook. Okay. Then the next picture is, look here. We see for a while, which is this picture? This is the sun. What is the first letter of that word? This is the sun. S for sun. Like that you write in the picture. Okay. The next one is the, look here. What is this? This is the moon. Which letter right here? M. M for moon. Very good. You are the brilliant students. Okay. Then the next one is the, look here and tell me, which picture is this? This is flower. Very good. And which alphabet right here? F. F for flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Flower means fool. Okay. Then tell me, which picture is this? This is tree. This is tree. Which letter right here? T. T for tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree means झाड. Very good. And last is the Look here. You will identify or not? I will draw. Okay. Tell me. What is this? This is banana. This is banana. Which alphabet right here? B. B for banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Banana means केळी. Understand everyone? Very good. This is our activity. Write the first letter of the picture. Name in it means चित्र पाहून आपल्याला त्यामध्ये काय करायचे होते त्याचं फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट लिहायचे होते. Understand everyone? Very good. Then now time for our homework or exercise. यावर तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे आता पहा. In your textbook, write the first letter of the pictures. Name in it. Means तुम्ही काय करा, draw some pictures. Draw some pictures as you like. As you like. Write down this homework in your notebook. Okay. Means write the first letter of the pictures. Name in it. Draw some pictures as you like. आता आपण ज्या पद्धतीने चित्र काढून त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट लेटर लिहिलं होतं त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, तुमच्या आवडीचे काही चित्र असे ड्रॉ करायचे आहेत. आपल्या नोटबुक मध्ये अशा आवडीचे काही जे काही सोपे वगैरे पिक्चर्स असतात ते ड्रॉ करायचे आणि त्या वर्डचा फर्स्ट लेटर त्यामध्ये लिहायचा. दिस इज द ऍक्टिव्हिटी अँड दॅट इज ऑल्सो युअर होमवर्क. अंडरस्टँड एव्हरीवन? ओके, व्हेरी गुड. देन अशा प्रकारे आज आपण आजच्या पाठामध्ये काही वस्तूंची नावं जे काही आपल्या अवतीभोवती असतात किंवा आपल्या शालेय जीवनामध्ये तसेच आपण घरच्या काही वस्तू अशा प्रकारच्या वेगवेगळ्या वस्तूंची नावे इंग्रजीमध्ये काय असतात ते आपण आज पाहिलेलं आहे. त्याच पद्धतीनं अल्फाबेट्स ए टू झेड अल्फाबेट्स पासून आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे शब्द कशा प्रकारे तयार करू शकतो किंवा प्रत्येक मुळाक्षरापासून वेगवेगळे शब्द तयार होतात ते आपण फन विथ अल्फाबेट या पाठामध्ये पाहिलं. आणि ऍक्टिव्हिटी, व्हॉट इज द ऍक्टिव्हिटी इन इंग्लिश लँग्वेज मीन्स आपण फन विथ फन ही शिकू शकतो. अशा प्रकारच्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीच्या माध्यमातून आपण हे आज पाहिलेलं आहे आणि आपल्या पुढच्या पाठाचा अभ्यास आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये करणार आहोत. दॅट्स इट. थँक्यू.